Hi guys, it's me again on a rainy day because my brother told me to record the rain. If you guys could see the rain, leave in a comment. And probably I'm going to make a video on Monday afternoon. And that video is going to be about talking about stuff. Is going to be talking about weird habits about me. And say hi.
I don't want to.
Knucklehead, say hi.
Oh.
Okay, bastard.
I can't review myself. I'm making my own YouTube.
So yeah, so this is a rainy day.
You didn't really walk outside?
And
I bet your subscribers would like it.
And I'm betting him $5 run outside.
I will run outside.
For 1 minute.
I will, but you have to run outside too.
And go do it.
You have to come with me.
I can't because I'm recording. Oh yeah, then go.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna be right here, okay?
Let's just walk around. Come on.
Oh shit, no, I can't. My phone, remember?
Oh.
Yeah. There's no waterproof case on it. Ah, shit. I need to get a waterproof case. I thought Wilson's would go outside with me.
Big problem, huh?
Yep. Alright, plus guys, if I forgot to show you my room, here's my room. Yeah, you know it's a little dirty.
Ah, again, maybe if I go into the street, it will help me.
Just, alright, come inside.
No.
Then go down there. Then I bet you $1 to go in there.
Where?
And sit down. Oh yeah, plus once my brother's channel comes out, can you go subscribe to him? I will mention it in the next video. You could smack the like button as hard as you can. And let's try to get a 75 likes. Or 2 likes. Plus I might be uploading this video more on later. About a rainy day. Yeah guys, it's a little boring.